Okay, there's my tobacco plants. Some of them I've transplanted, some of them I haven't. Here's a bunch there. All Virginia Gold I planted this year because it seems to grow the best and gets the nicest, more yield. Here's the ones I transplanted a couple days ago. You can see the little suckers are taking off like crazy. I gotta get my greenhouse up tomorrow so I can get them out there. Hey, they're just taking off like crazy. I just watered them a little dry. But look at all of them I got to transplant. Thousands of them. I'm going to be a busy boy tomorrow. Got a lot of transplanting to do. Got to get them all transplanted and get them moved out to that greenhouse. So my goal is 3,000 tobacco plants, and I think I probably should have that. And there it is, a little quick view of it.